CoolCredit Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to CoolCredit and related tools are in the description below. CoolCredit is a professional credit repair service designed for individuals looking to improve their credit score, remove negative items from their reports, and gain more control over their financial health. Whether you've been affected by late payments, charge-offs, collections, or even bankruptcies, CoolCredit is built to help you dispute and resolve inaccuracies through a combination of automated tools and expert-driven strategies. One of its standout features is the intuitive dashboard that lets users track progress in real time, monitor their credit score across all 3 bureaus, and get notified about changes instantly. The platform offers customized dispute letters, AI-assisted credit analysis, and access to certified credit advisors for those who prefer more hands-on guidance. CoolCredit is especially ideal for people with limited time or credit repair knowledge, but it's also powerful enough for those with more complex credit issues. It's structured around a monthly subscription, and while pricing can vary based on your plan and services, it's generally considered affordable compared to traditional credit repair agencies. Strengths include fast dispute processing, educational resources for long-term financial improvement, and transparency in progress tracking. It also doesn't lock you into a long-term contract, so you can cancel anytime. However, there are a few weaknesses worth noting. CoolCredit doesn't guarantee specific results since outcomes depend on creditor responses, and it may not be the best fit for those wanting a completely DIY approach. Also, while the customer support is responsive, live chat isn't available 24/7. Still, for most users looking for a reliable, automated, and affordable way to boost their credit profile, CoolCredit delivers real value. In short, it's a solid option for rebuilding credit and learning how to maintain it long-term. If you're serious about cleaning up your credit report and setting yourself up for better financial opportunities, CoolCredit is worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore plans or get started.